Hi guys.
Due to our previous classes, we spoke about random sectioning. So its logs are sectioned randomly. So now what we're going to do now is to take them down. We section the hair properly, then we install it back. Surely it's not all the logs that are going to come back, but the few that are coming back is going to make the hair look good. So you guys should stay tuned. So we'll start by cutting the hair. So guys, after taking down the locks, what we're going to do now is we're going to pick the healthy ones and loosen their end. When we lose their end, then we'll section this hair. We are going to take down this one, then we'll section it and we'll connect it back.
Hi guys. I am Obina, and I'm visiting Abuja for a couple of days. So while I was here, I was looking for a place to fix my hair. It's not this hair you're looking at, it was a mess. I had sort of scalings and the hair wasn't properly aligned. Then I checked on Google, like dreadlock places near me, and I saw a couple of people, outlets. I tried reaching out to them, but they weren't available at the time. Then I scrolled down to the last one. Then I found Obinocious dreadlocks. Then I called him. He was quite spontaneous and responded quickly. Then we proceeded to WhatsApp, where he sent me the link to his Instagram and his website. Then I checked onto the website and I saw like a catalog of all his work, well drafted, articulated, and contacted him again and booked an appointment. Here I am, and he's been I don't know, I've been like blown away. Like I'm so wowed, I'm so thrilled. I wasn't expecting any of this. In fact, all of this was his idea, because I just wanted to have a proper hair treatment and just retwist my hair, and but he suggested I have to do a sort of landscaping restructuring. Yeah, so I bought the idea and we tried it. It was good. So he was just bringing the ideas and we're just trying it, and I mean, I never imagined my hair was gonna look like this. It was so cool, and he's just a genius. I promise you. If you guys haven't heard of him, Obinocious dreadlocks in Abuja, Moscow, underground Wusetu here. He is. I don't know. You just come see things for yourself. He's exceptional. He does barbing. He does the dreadlock, even makeup and things like that. He's so good, and I could say he's sort of underrated. Yeah, underrated. I had to stutter for that. Yeah, you guys should just check him out and patronize him. He's good with his. He knows what he's doing. Yeah, and if you want to intern, I mean, you've got the best teacher to intern from. Yeah.